Hello, I am Kristopher Sabado, and today I'm going to show you a lotto game simulation using C Sharp. So this is for midterm test. So here it goes. So what we have here is a set of classes. We have the program.cs, which is the domain driver of the program. It also contains the menu. So here we have a switch case. So it just lets you choose which game to play. We also have the lotto game.cs. So uh, it declares the private and public fields. So in this case, we have the element list. This just contains uh, the selected number for the lotto game. Uh, we also have element number. So this just this just shows how many numbers your lotto ticket will have. We also have the number list. Uh, so this list contains the selection from which your program can choose numbers from. We have random. That just lets you uh, set a random number. So lastly is the set size, which is sets the range for your number list. So uh, the lotto game.cs also contains the method lotto game. So what this does is it just sets the uh, numbers of the lotto game. So in which your program will output. For example, the element number here is 6. So uh, the default number is 6. So uh, in the console, it will just show 6 lotto numbers. So and the set size, as I said, it's just the range for the number list. The lotto game also calls the initialize method and the build method. So here it is. Initialize just literally just initializes your list. Also for the build method, it creates a list. It creates the number list. So in this case, we set the number list to from 1 to set size. So we can expect the range of selection being 1 to 49. So here it is. Also, it contains the toString method. It just manipulates what you output in the console. Lastly, the pick elements method. First, it checks if the element list is empty. So if it's not empty, it will just clear the element list and the number list, then builds it up again. So what it also does is uh, it randomly picks a number from the number list and then transfers it to element list and then sorts it out in ascending order. Next, we have the Lotto Max class. So it inherits from Lotto game and it also uh, calls the iGenerate Lotto numbers class interface. Sorry. So we have here the base of the Lotto Max. So it just basically sets uh, your element number and set size to whatever number it is. So it's element element number 7 and set size 49. It also contains generate lotto numbers method. So it just calls the pick elements method from the lotto game and outputs it. Uh, it's the same for lotto 649. The difference is just uh, lotto max has 7 elements while uh, lotto 649 has 6. So what it outputs is like 6 tickets and 6 numbers and so on. So if you try to run it, it'll bring you to the menu. So here you can make a selection of which Lotto game you play or you exit. So let's just try choosing Lotto 649. So as you can see, it outputs six tickets with six element numbers in it. So yeah. So if we press any key, let's try Lotto Max. So just seven tickets and seven uh, element numbers. So there it is.